An 81-year-old man was hospitalized with a self-inflicted gunshot wound after the old man fell out of his chair while waiting to shoot a tormented raccoon. A raccoon had been scratching at his back door for days when he decided to take action. He grabbed a .22 caliber rifle and waited for the pesky raccoon to return, but he dozed off and then sneezed, causing him to fire a round into his own shin. Luckily, his son was in the house and did bring the old man to the hospital. Police said they are investigating the matter, but we're sure the raccoon is fine.